Australia right now, a debate is raging about an image of an athlete in action on the field. This is Tayla Harris. She plays Aussie rules football and she's also a boxer. And she featured prominently in a recent Nike campaign tagged "Make the World Listen." But this one picture of her in full flight, kicking for goal in the game between Carlton and the Western Bulldogs, has sparked a storm of controversy. The picture was posted on Facebook by Australia's 7 Network, but then removed because it was attracting comments of a sexual nature. And so vulgar were those comments that Harris herself said she felt as though she'd been sexually abused on social media.
I can see in people's profile pictures that may have said something, whatever. They've got kids or they've got daughters or women in their photos even, and that is the stuff that I'm worried about. So perhaps this is an issue that might even have to go further, because if these people are saying things like this to someone they don't know on a public platform, what are they saying behind closed doors, and what are they doing? These people need to be called out by the AFL, yes, but also then taken further. Maybe this is the start of domestic violence. Maybe this is the start of abuse. And the comments that I saw were sexual abuse, if you can call it that, because it was repulsive.
You know, for some, the act of removing the picture was arguably more damaging than some of the comments themselves. And Channel 7 actually ended up reposting it, adding this message: "We're sorry, removing the photo sent the wrong message. Many of the comments made on the post were reprehensible, and we'll work harder to ban trolls from our pages. Our intention was to highlight Tayla Harris's incredible athleticism, and we'll continue to celebrate women's footy." Kelly O'Dwyer is Australia's Federal Minister for Women. On Twitter, she wrote, "Tayla Harris is a superstar. She should be celebrated for her talent and athleticism as we celebrate any male footballer. I'm disgusted by the trolling that has taken place." Tayla herself has posted the picture on her own Instagram page saying, "My hamstring is okay, but derogatory and sexist comments aren't." And the head of the AFL says it's a remarkable photo which shows a great athlete at her most powerful.